today I'm going to share with you the tricks and techniques that I use to create this spectacular contemporary Christmas arrangement. To begin, you're going to create a midollino extender using 5 stems of midollino and a piece of aluminum wire. It needs to be longer than all of the staggered pieces of midollino. Next, you're going to bind them together using bullion wire. I start in the middle and bind from one end all the way down to the other end and then back to the middle again. From there, you're going to begin wrapping with yarn. You can simply start on one end and begin wrapping all the way down to the other end. Then you're going to wrap all the way back down to the other side again and tie it off. Next, set those aside. I've pre-soaked 4 bricks of floral foam with flower preservative, and I set them into the container. You'll anchor it in place with anchor tape, and from there you can begin adding in the ornaments. The sparkle ribbon you can simply insert into the foam. The midollino extenders, you'll want to use heavy wire or aluminum wire to anchor them into place. You can also bind them together with a bit of bullion to secure them into position. From there, I've added in some of the deodar cedar to drape over the edge of the container and begin concealing the mechanics. I also then tucked in lots and lots of these beautiful freedom roses by Real Roses. Then you can also add in the citron colored Phalaenopsis to finish off the design. Take ornaments off your Christmas tree and add them to arrangements. It'll elevate your designs, it will elevate your price, and it will bring you more profit during the holiday season. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.